Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this very simple Toonish air explosion in UE5 Niagara, and I just created one and I placed 4 times because it is slightly random every time. So you can see these four are slightly random every time, but this is just one particle system. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment, and let's start this. So let me show you. These are the four systems and it has the one system linked here. So this is my effect and it has four elements. First is this main core, and second is just some sprites which are streaks initially, then scaling down, and just these dots, sparks. Then I have this flash. This is very bright initially, then it's fade out. Then I dark particles just to fill this up. So this thing, what I did here, you can also do something similar in material also, but in Niagara, I'll show you something different, how you can do that. Okay, so let me show you. I'll create a new folder here, test, and then I'll create a material, M sphere. And in here, I'll just take a texture that I'll take this blur texture, this one, or maybe this one.